This video is about the static grass applicator kit that you build to get this. This is what the kit looks like when it's completed. This video shows you how to assemble the kit and how it performs. The kit makes a 15 kV DC static grass applicator. It's powerful and versatile. I'll show you later how it works and what you can do with it. This is the kit that you get when you assemble it. You've got the control box, input plugs, output plugs. To this, you attach, to disperse your grass, a vegetable strainer. We'll show you how to make this in our instructions, or my favorite, a tea strainer. And there are other tools that you'll see me use and that are available in the instructions. But this is the basic kit that you get. It's flat, it's portable, it lays where you want it. Now, when the kit comes to you, you get a box, styrene box, insulated. You'll have to drill a few holes. You'll drill 2 small holes here and here, and you'll drill for a switch. You will get a package of parts, everything you need to make the control unit that I showed you before. Then the heart of the kit is a 12-volt DC input, 15 kilovolt DC output. Very powerful unit. You won't find anything else like it on the market, especially designed for static grass applicators and flock boxes. You can use it for other things too, but you'll see it operate as a flock box in a little bit anyway. And in my other videos, you'll see it operate as a static grass applicator. This is what the kit looks like inside. Notice there were small holes drilled. You attach the plugs. There's a switch. You drill a larger hole. You put the switch in. You put the generator in. You attach the wires. You've got solderless connectors. I prefer to solder them just for the heck of it, but you don't need. All you have to do is crimp them with a pair of pliers. Look how simple that is. You do not have to be an electronics technician to put it together. You get wiring diagrams. It's very simple. Green and black and red and black. So it's very easy to put together. You put this on top, close these, and you have an assembled kit. You have left over in terms of parts. You have the banana clips necessary and the alligator clip that will go to your grounding wire. We'll show you that in a bit. I'll show you how this performs now. I've set up a simple flock box. It's nothing more than a pizza pan turned upside down, grass put on it, and the grounding wire attached. I'm going to use a special tool I made, a alligator clip on the end of a piece of wire and dowel, screen attached in baking paper. This is powered with 12-volt DC. Look at how high that pulls. In the next sequence, I will put glue on that paper, and I'll show you how quickly it makes grass tufts. All right, I've added some glue to the paper. I'm going to put it back over the grass. Watch it pull and watch the tufts form. You can't make tufts any faster than you can when you do this. It's powerful. I'll fill these tufts out very quickly, and I'll use the tufts in my layout. I'll show you some of the scenes that I've made using tufts like this. Now I'm powering this with a 9-volt DC battery. I'm going to show you quickly how well this pulls. A lot of people prefer to use a 9-volt battery. It's very convenient, makes it more portable. What's important now is once you see how this is pulling, let's see what I've done with it. Here are a couple views of some of the things I've done with this applicator. I've used the tufts, I've spread grass, I've made flowers. You can do all this with this applicator very easily. This comes with tutorials, free tutorials. We'll show you how to do this and more.